Yo, what is good, Icy Gang, and welcome back to another video. I know this lighting is really blue, but you know, we got it blue for the Icy Gang vibes, you already know. In today's video, I'm basically just going to show you guys an overview of my PC build. So as most of you guys know, I've been saving for this PC for quite a bit. Then this app called Zen came in clutch, and then we're like, oh wow, making it sooner than I thought. So then the money came along. So now I bought all my PC parts, about $900, maybe some more, around $950 worth of PC parts. And I bought that and I absolutely demolished it. My processor, I actually got second to last. I got an AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. And then I ordered my RAM, which is DDR4 3200, my SSD 512 gigabytes of an M.2 whatever blah blah blah, hard drive, a WD Blue 1 terabyte. All this stuff is going to be in the description. And these came from Amazon. I also got my a little fan splitter because I realized one of my headers was, I only had one header for my case fans, so I decided to buy 3-way fan splitter so I could hook all 3 of my fans to my PC, to my motherboard, so they can all work. So yeah, let's go show you the build. Got the little RGB things, as you guys saw, or just B, because it says blue lights. Didn't want to get anything too fancy. I don't know what I did, but my graphics card's kind of like loose. If anyone knows how to get that sorted, just let me know in the comment section. But yeah, it's nothing too fancy. My cable management's not the best, just mainly because of my little fan splitters that I was talking to you about. Vibing down here, and then these two are wired underneath the little slot that it has for cable management. But yeah, this is basically what I built. Spent about 4 hours building it. And yeah, it's honestly freaking fast as hell. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention my keyboard and mouse. Just a nice little $50 2-piece set off of Amazon. Have it. Changes color. See with this, I was going to show you, oh yes, this is a really cool feature that it has with the little colors and whatnot. You can change them. It's probably my favorite one. Any letter you touch, it'll kind of give a little vibration thing all throughout the keyboard. And then this one's also quite nice. I'm not gonna do a whole keyboard review and whatnot, but yeah, that's basically my PC build and then the accessories to it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. Comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Trovo, because that's where I live stream every day. So yeah, thank you guys. Signing off. Peace.